geometry. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Here we go. So this is the last part of reflections that we're going to talk about. And I just want you aware of this. You'll see on the SBA later this spring. So these are, it's called glide reflections. And the glide reflection is a composition of transformations. Okay, it's specifically a translation followed by a reflection. So we're going to do both of those things. So we're going to start by, we've got triangle ABC here. We're going to translate the figure from xy to x plus 5, y minus 2. So that means I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, right? So that is my translation. So 5 and then 2. So this is A prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2. So this is C prime, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, and here is B prime. And I'm going to use a ruler to draw my new triangle. And we can see that this is the same. Now, these glide reflections are rigid motions. Okay, they are rigid motions, so that means the length and angle measurements are congruent between the initial triangle and our final one. Now, we've done the translation. We have not reflected over the x-axis, so that's what we have to do next. We have to reflect it over the x-axis. All right, so here is that guy. I'm going to start by reflecting my C prime. Well, C prime is actually on the axis. We haven't seen this yet, but that means that C double prime is right there as well. Okay, so that is the point for C double prime because it's 0 away from the x-axis, so it's right there. So B prime is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 away from the x-axis. So we need to go another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 away. So here is B, and now it's a double prime, all right? So we start off with B, then we found B prime, and now we're going to find B double prime. And then A is 1, 2, 3, 4, so we have to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is A double prime. So our new triangle is right here. Doing my best to keep straight lines. There we go. So that's our new triangle, and this is our final one, all right? This A double prime, B double prime, C double prime. And like I said, that's a double prime. So for this one, we can do one more together, and then I'll have you practice a few, all right? So this one, our translation is we are going x minus 2, y plus 6. So let's start with D. We're going x minus 2, y plus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is our D double prime right here. That means E will go over 2 and then up 6. So there is E double prime. 2 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is G double prime. And then F2 and then up 6. So there is F double prime. All right, so that is our new figure, and then we need to reflect it over y equals negative 1. Okay, so our y-axis is here. This is where y equals negative 1, right there. So I need to reflect it across that. So G is 1, 2, 3, 4 away, so I need to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is G double prime. D is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that should be D. Did I do this one right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, I did it. My graph is just not big enough. Sorry, guys. All right, E is also going to be, it's going to be down here. That's E double prime. And then F is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that is F double prime. So this right here, the green one, is our image. It's our final one for this glide reflection, which is a composition of transformations. There are 2 more down here that you are welcome to try. I highly encourage you to try them out because like I said, you'll see this on the SBA. So email me if you have any questions.